friends, my name is Meeta from BoosturBrain. In this video, I am going to discuss how to teach numbers 1, 10 and 100 to a young child. Before starting the concept, make sure the child knows number names and their symbol 1 to 10. He should have the ability to associate the quantity to the symbol and understanding of sequence. For this, refer my previous video. You can find the link in the description box right under this video. In this video, I am going to cover how to make a child learn the names of quantities 1, 10 and 100 and their numerals, giving the child a relative measurement of each quantity. Also, the association of quantity with symbols. For teaching the concept, you need one unit bead, one 10 bar and 100 square. It will take little effort to make them at home. To know how to make them, please refer my video how to make 10 bar, 100 square and short bead stair. You can find the link in the description box right under this video. Let's see how we can teach the concept in a practical way. We will do it in 3 steps. First step, introduce the quantity alone. Second step, introduce the symbol alone. And third step, associate quantity to symbol. Repeat each step until the child understands the concept. Here, repeating the step does not mean that you have to repeat the step continuously. If the child is not interested or not paying attention, leave it for that time. You can do it again after some time or another day. Let's see how to introduce quantities 1, 10 and 100 to a child. Ayash, this is 1 unit bead. Would you like to feel it?
Yes.
Can you say 1 unit bead?
1 unit bead.
This is 110 bar.
This is 110 bar.
This is 100 square.
This is 1 this one.
1 unit bead.
1 unit bead.
110 bar.
110 bar.
100 square.
100 square.
Good. Repeat it until the child gets comfortable with the name of quantity. Once the child gets comfortable, give a 3-period lesson. To know what is 3-period lesson, please refer my previous video. You can find the link in the description box. Ayash, this is 1 unit bead.
1 unit.
This is 110 bar.
110 bar.
This is 100 square.
100 square.
Ayash, show me 100 square. Show me 1 unit bead. Show me 110 bar. Good. Ayash, what is this?
110 bar.
What is this?
100 square.
Very good. What is this?
1 unit bead.
Very nice. Repeat the same procedure for 1000 cubes when the child shows readiness. Let's see how to introduce symbols for 1, 10 and 100 to a child. Ayash, this says 1.
This is 1.
This says 10.
This is 10.
This says 100.
This is 100.
This says 1.
This is 1.
This says 10.
This is 10.
This says 100.
This is 100.
Good. Repeat it until the child gets comfortable. Once the child gets comfortable, give a 3-period lesson. Ayash, this says 1,
1.
this says 10,
This is 10.
this says 100.
This is 100.
Show me 100. Show me 10. Show me 1. Show me 100. Show me 1. Show me 10. Good. What is this, Ayash?
10.
What is this, Ayash?
100.
What is this, Ayash?
1.
Very nice. High five. Let's see how to associate quantities with symbols. Ayash, this is 1.
This is 1.
This is 10.
10.
This is 100.
This is 100.
This is 1.
This is 1.
Can you trace it?
Yes. 1.
Yes. This is 1.
This is 1.
This
is
is
1.
1.
This
Very
is
good.
1.
This is 10.
This is 10. This is 10.
This is 10.
This is 10. This is 10.
This is 10. This is 100.
This is 100.
Very good. This is 100.
This is 100. This is 100.
Good. Again, this is
This is
1.
1. This is 1.
This is 1.
This is 1.
This is 10.
This is 10. This is 10.
10. This is 100.
This is 100. This is 100.
Very nice. High five. Playful learning experience make the child remember the concept for a longer time. So, be creative while reinforcing the concept. And this is 1.
This is 1.
Can you find 1? Very good. This is
1 10 bar.
very nice. Can you find 10? Good. This is 1.
1 is 12.
Very good. Yes, can you take 100 and keep it here? Very nice. This is 1.
This
This
is
is
1.
1.
This is 10.
This is
10.
10.
This
This
is
is
100.
100.
This is 100.
Very nice. With this step-by-step approach, a child learns the names of quantities 1, 10 and 100 and their numerals. It helps the child to understand place value and prepare him for the decimal system. It moves the child towards more abstract operations. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please give us thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe and press the bell icon. For more informative videos, blogs and customized expert support for your child, please visit my website boosturbrain.com.